Hey, what's up guys? I am here to give you an update video on the Infiniti. So just gonna go over what I did since the first video. So headlights are different. They are blacked out with a Porsche Panamera shroud and then the color changing LEDs behind it. They're switchback as well, so they go along with the turn signals. Also have Morimoto XB LED fog lights down there. I'll lower the front a little bit too. So it's still in the same suspension. I just took the front down about an inch, so it kind of has that nosedive effect. The mirrors are carbon fiber. They're actually the replacements instead of the covers. Windshield tint, it is double 35% in comparison to the single layer 35 I had last time. The roof is wrapped gloss black by Avery, and then I have a little window spoiler up top. There's my Instagram. I know some of you guys have been asking if I have social media. The back is the same. I did do a taillight mod. I'll show you guys in a second. Exhaust work. I have CWorks test pipes and a Rev 9 catback exhaust. Stepping inside the car. It's a little dirty as always, but I have WeatherTech floor mats right there. I got those for $25 locally here. Some lady was just trying to get rid of them. And then I've also installed the Infiniti OEM accent lighting kit right there, so it lights the interior up at night really nicely. I'm going to do a startup video for you guys. So I just had the test pipes put on yesterday, and I've noticed that it's rubbing against a brace that I have, or that's right there, factory on the Infinitis. Get that taken off one day this week. Here is the brake light mod. So all three of these brake lights, they strobe, and then this is the turn signal right there. It's pretty cool. Hear the exhaust a little bit. It doesn't have that traditional VQ sound, which I kind of like that. Switchback function of my headlights, and then my fog lights right there. Under the engine bay, everything is the same. Got these still engine 3s. All of this wiring is for the headlights. I'll do one more walk around. If you guys have any questions or anything, just let me know.